And Mr. Woodford was there. How many but right then they haven't taken. We believe that it is very important.
Okay, ready?
By Sing Ringzaka, Minister of Home Affairs. So Sing PSF, the NLF, the Returns Group, the Bramota, Sing Arthang event Kaika. So Sing the meeting coming Amazon, very hopeful and Kakaigu. That in implement the tripartite agreement and Sing public appeal Kainai, Niro agreement of Poito, Kaji, they support Kaji. Sing PSF as a Nironi representative in the NLF, the Returns Group, the Bramota. So Sotono Palka Tango, Salaka Kong, Sinize Bukanikov, Nirog Nize, Duko Toman Amazon table of place Kaika, a chemistry Hakan Kanaka, they assure Kaika, the agreement among the implement in life.
No, PSF Bukati the Tang by Sabin Bukatir or tomorrow.
Like this, Sunoto, Sunto Nirogan Citizen PSF organization. So, Sun PSF engineering Zaka, but we represent the people, so Nirong Ninas representatives, or some Simia, NLF Returns Group. They promote the Tongan, so they have Bonibagay, so some Kakaya, Ditinoma, implement and
আচ্ছা গোবাংমা বরক তাবো সবাই দङ গোসকাङो आईपीएफ नि जे सबन दे गरमा ओ बिसिवा न टीटीसी दे 125th amendment बिल न तयै इमप्लिमेन्ट नंग हिनि जेता बरक सावै दङ माने नर मालायै एगेमिस्ट्रा बाय मालायै बो बाहेरक नरनि गब्र नर मा खादो
Lagi 125th amendment bill to omo government of India no borong sajak ronai hen so je omo sini je tripartite agreement amani bagai somo kisa dileng to kha khai ge sini je tripartite agreement nang khang loge loge na 125th amendment bu ngi thanga na
tripartite agreement nang kuro joto kisu bujilai joto kisu agreement khai soi sui le pele ja ta abono tei ase follow meeting khai jagai tomani nahar mungta mung na hani wan sumoro
lagi arok kebang ma issue tong mana to tesi yang sada 70 to 80% process ka but isa percentage tong sang khamalong nai sang as kedeng ma salong sin struggle sang isa khamalong nai public na omune assure kai nai nirok no nirok khalok di nirok sang hopeful ma tong nai nirok khalok gui o je agreement nirok no ang support ken me nirok no appeal kai nai
agreement no ya glo dabu bor sabya do goi ek saga returns rogni je katal bor je pemeni bogni ke proga bogni je demand ngi dabu process to
lagi sung to omo tripartite agreement basis thang so amoni agreement no ke jeng musa discuss kai tani homol omo sung for the greater interest of people sung thang mani I accord another part ni sung omo boni bagai sung the tripartite agreement amonon sung mainly focus kai sini meeting mani ng
implement to गोबां मा नों खा sorry गोबां agreement खा फियाबा ताबुक अब हाइके न date by date no rewi tong ba ako no te se repeat phayo ba bo bahero khama tong tabung ni jera meeting kisa juda hai ma tong ba bo bahero
definitely Tirupurani student organization ngi kha kha ye sung the first representative sini kabang ma agreement ka sing ADC man kha PNB accord kha omani pore sung kha kha ye omo kaisa history agreement ngai sini bagai and sini borong no benefit ngai jotto ni bagai ni omo agreement so kha kha ye definitely omo sini jotto lukurong benefit magan
agreement ba accord ti dabu sing ya pula aban age ba khuma khaja thanga abon age je agreement khajam mar accord khajam ko agreement khajam mar dabu proper babe fulfill khaje gya o dabu ni je agreement ko ba accord je proper the fulfill up khajam manso
sung amato sung assure kami but we are very hopeful the government of India sung the meeting sung issue raise khaika sini agin issue of raise khaika and sung PSF ne ngi sung je sini je neuropathy sung agin sing tuma demand to amar land rights economic rights sini education sung amar place khaika bor ka hakene kanata kha khaige omo dati na implement ngana
mane poido ma tong sanai
sung poido ma tong